Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Lamborghini Urus S, but as you can already see, it's not a regular one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the ABT Lamborghini Scatenato. It's actually based on the Urus S, complete new conversion made by ABT, and the most interesting thing at this point is this is the actually first ever conversion based on any Lamborghini product, and here starting with the Urus. So let's start and let me tell you more about this car here in general. It's actually based on the 2023 model Lamborghini Urus S. It's a facelifted Lamborghini Urus, and ABT, which actually are known for building quite a lot of special Audi cars, they have just took this Lamborghini Urus S and have completely changed it. So what they've done is, first things first, we have a performance upgrade here. The car comes with a 4-liter V8 biturbo, but instead of having the 666 horsepower base power, it's been modified and now all the way up to 840 horsepower. This car is actually limited to 99 pieces in total, and we have one of those here sitting right in front of us with an extremely cool exterior paint option. And the entire conversion from ABT or ABT or whatever you like to call it, costs around 180,000 euros. So let's get on and let me show you all the highlights of this car. So first things first, when starting to talk about the front, we have the Performante specific carbon fiber bonnet here, and I think it's a full carbon fiber bonnet by ABT, which, as you can see, comes with a nice paint and then the exposed carbon fiber looking extremely nice. We also have this additional hood outtakes here, full finished in carbon fiber all around. And the only thing that might be stuck on the front is maybe the headlights, a bit of the front bumper, because they've changed almost everything. Just have a closer look here on the front lip, on the bumper as well here. They've put this additional part here, which is all finished in carbon fiber, made in Germany. We are right now here at the ABT ABT headquarters, and here you can also see the name of the car is not called an Urus anymore. Now it's called a Scatenato. It's a quite interesting name. We have the ABT initials all around here, looking quite cool. Front bumper, full carbon fiber, and then when just looking at the side of the car, you see quite a lot more additional exterior highlights and features. And yeah, just look at that. We have these side parts here, full carbon fiber finish, which make the car look even wider. You see that? From the stance, from the look, I really like the body kit. It's not too much. It looks quite sporty, but yet extremely cool and elegant. If you ask me, I like it a lot. And I mean, ABT is quite experienced when talking about the RS Q8, which this car is actually based on, so they know what they are doing. On the side, you can see quite a lot more carbon fiber parts. All of these developed and made in Germany, and also the finishing looks quite interesting. Loved it. We even have winter tires on right now, and also these amazingly shaped wheels. Here from the side, you can also see all the additional parts that they have added on, especially here, side mirrors. You can see that full carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber, these additional side touches, making this car look extremely special. Here you can also see it's one of 99 pieces. So they will be only building 99 conversions in total. We have a Formula E car sitting there on the wall, quite interesting. And a GT3 RS right over here. Pretty cool setup that we have here. But back to the car, let me talk about the wheels. These are the ABT Scatenato specific wheels, looking extremely cool, full finished in black gloss. These are 23 inches. I think they also offer 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. All around the design, the details is amazing. We have the carbon ceramic brake hiding right behind. And yeah, the total finishing is quite interesting. Also here on the bottom, full carbon fiber all around. I'm a huge fan of it. We also have the carbon fiber roof. I think this is stock. It comes from Lamborghini. And then we're already talking about the rear. Look at this. Wow. I really love the exterior paint, and I also love the finishing here with the carbon fiber touches all around. Here you can actually see we don't have a single spoiler. We have a double spoiler on top, sitting right over here, made by ABT. Lovely finishing, full carbon fiber, exposed gloss carbon fiber finish. We have these additional touches also here on the side to make the car look even more aggressive. We have this additional rear spoiler here sitting on the back, full exposed gloss carbon fiber. Even this framing here is finished in carbon fiber. Lamborghini initials finished in black matte. We have the ABT ABT badge over here. It's quite cool. And in case you forgot what car you're driving, is the Scatenato. It's quite cool. The exhaust been also changed by ABT, full carbon fiber diffuser. And the interesting thing is that we have some light blue additional details to match with the exterior painting. A huge fan of the exhaust tips, because when you pay a closer look, just pay attention to the details here. We have the Y shape even in the exhaust tips. This looks quite cool. What do you think? Now it's time to talk about the inside. As soon as I actually open up the door, look at this. We have the entrance lighting here with the Scatenato details, also made by ABT. Lovely. I really like this a lot. Looks like it's stock, honestly. 1 of 99 badge here. Lovely finish, full carbon fiber. Lamborghini entrance board. In the inside, it's quite a lot of factory finishing, but ABT has actually added quite a few more parts, which I will be showing you now. So let's jump right inside. Even soft closing doors here. So we are right inside the ABT Scatenato. Just look at this. Full Alcantara Dinamica finish and carbon fiber overload everywhere. Let me just start the ignition here. Lovely. Oh, it's actually based on the Urus Performante. Let me just show you around. This here is finished in carbon fiber by ABT. It's pretty cool. To put it in reverse gear, we have the driving modes here: Strada, Sport, Corsa and Rally. And also here on the left hand side, put on Ego and change the suspension settings. Here you go. In the inside, as I mentioned, it's quite a lot of stock parts here. Alcantara Dinamica coming straight from Lamborghini Bologna. This is actually stock, but this part is not. This has been added. Also here with the Scatenato detail, 1 of 99, it's highly limited. In the inside, we get quite a lot of blue parts and details, especially these seat belts. They look extremely cool. I love them. Performante specific seat. Also here we have the ABT detail. Headrest Lamborghini on the side, Performante, Urus. Here we have the nice Alcantara Dinamica finish, a lot of carbon fiber in the inside all around. We have the steering wheel. Here's something that I don't like about this steering wheel is the airbag cover. It doesn't look good. I wish there would be an option to get a Alcantara Dinamica airbag cover instead of this. Do you like that? I don't think so. Flat bottom, tricolore. The frame is here finished in very nice material. I can't even identify. 12 o'clock mark here. Aluminum finishing here. It looks quite nice. Alcantara Dinamica all around. Shift pedals, lovely. I think this has to be aluminum because the feel is pretty nice. Love it. We have the Bang & Olufsen speakers. As soon as I actually turn off the music, oh no, no, I don't want to hear that. Actually, when I just do this, they move all the way in. Look, pretty cool. As soon as I jump inside my car and start the ignition, look, they move out. I'm a huge fan of the way they did it. The inside is pretty cool. All in all, what do you guys think about the ABT Scatenato? Even on the side mirror, you have the detail right over there. Pretty cool. What do you think? Additional carbon fiber part, which is not stock. Yeah, the inside is perfect, but they made it even better, in my opinion here. All in all, what would you rate this interior from 1 to 10? Leave it in the comment section below.